motorcycle tank.
Focus. All right, this is a Kawasaki Ninja 1997 600cc motorcycle gas tank. But it's got a lot of holes and it's leaking gas all over the place. And Butter's going to show you how to fill them holes up. All right, so what you're going to need for this repair is...
So we got a blowtorch kit, some silver solder, and some flux. So we can fill in these pinholes on the motorcycle tank.
All right, so when you want to get some alcohol and clean her down. Make sure there ain't nothing fucking around on that thing. And then we're gonna do some solder pinhole fill 'em ups.
Yeah.
Hack job right now. Get a little bit of your flux.
Get your flux.
You take your flux
and just brush it on your holes. You can use a soldering gun for this, but I decided to use a torch. Remember, if you ever have open flames around a fuel tank, remember to never have any... Oh! And she's done.
How about that?
Look at it. All we gotta do now,
Fill it up with gas.
no cunt.
What the fuck?
Sand it and paint it, you fucking retard.
Kill myself. Fuck! Fucking Jesus! Oh God! Wait, it's gonna fucking burn up the table. Wait, what should I do with this tank? It's getting hot.
Cashmere.